Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to crashing issues on your PC and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is all about you have to make sure that the graphic drivers on your system is up to date. That is the first thing. So to do this you just have to go over here to this PC, right click and go to properties. Now from here you just have to go to device manager. From here you have to click on display and adapters. You have to expand this, and as you can see, which is AMD Radeon RX 5700, right click on this and go for update drivers, and you have to go for search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, this is up to date. This is what you have to do. If you're having any update, you can update via this. The graphic drivers will be up to date. This is the first step which you have to try out, and after trying this, if it's not working, then we have next one. Next one is all about you have to update your Windows. That is what you have to do. So to do this you just have to go over here and you have to type settings, go over here to the settings. From here go to update and security, and from here you have to update. As you can see, this is the latest version. We are on the latest version. There is no issue with this. So this is also done, and moving on, after trying this, if it's not working, then we have solution number is next one. That is, you have to close the background running task. Sometimes, as you can see, that many things will be running in the background that will be affecting us. So you just have to go to the background over here on the task, and you have to make sure that no big things is running in the background. And if the big things are running in the background, then purposefully you have to close this. For example, like this, you have to select, for example, if it's Microsoft Store, you have to select this, right click and go for end task, and it will be done. So this is what you have to do. So moving on to the first solution is all about, as I said, you have to run the game as administrator. So that is very important. You have to run the game as administrator, and to do this you just have to, what you have to do is you just have to imagine that this is the game, which game is crashing. For example, if it's Scrap Game, Brawlhalla, MI4, Halo Infinity, Forza Horizon 5, depends on it, whatever the game it is. You just have to right click. So you have to go over here in the properties, then not here, I'll be showing you guys out. What you have to do is just have to go over here on the Steam. Then from here you just have to select the respective game. You have to go to properties. Now from here you can go to local files and browse the game, which means you have to navigate to the exact where the game is installed. You have to navigate to that particular folder. As you can see, this is the folder. Now you just have to select the game, right click, and you'll be having an option called run as administrator. So once you run the game as administrator, there will be, most probably there may not be any kind of issue, but even you have to check whether that's enough or not. And even if after trying this, if it's not working, then we have solution number next one. So next one is all about you have to disable the antivirus. That is what you have to do. You have to disable the firewall program. So that is, sometimes this can fix the issue up. So you just have to follow. Sometimes, I'm not saying must, but there are some cases where this has worked for many. So in order to do this, you just have to go over here on the search, and you have to search for Windows Defender. You have to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open this one. Now from here, as you can see, we have an option called Turn Windows Defender. You just have to click on this, and now what you have to do is you just have to click on Turn on Windows Defender. Turn off is it has been set into this one. So it is very important that you have to disable Windows Firewall, because if it is turned on, then most probably you'll be having the trouble. So you just have to make sure this is turned off. Then if it is turned off, then you just have to go for OK, and you have to try with go for OK, save this up. Then you just have to restart your PC, and you have to check whether you're done with the issue. And even after trying this, if it's not working, then we have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to follow with the same. So what you have to do is you just have to go over here. You have to press Windows and I key all together. So that will take you to this, and from here you have to go to update and security. Now from here, what you have to do is just have to go to Windows Security, and from here there is an option called, as you can see, we have an option called Virus and Threat Protection. You have to click on this. Now from here, what you have to do is just have to scroll down, and under Virus and Threat Protection we have Manage Setting. So you just have to click on Manage Setting, right? Then what you have to do is you just have to turn on, what you have to do is just have to turn off real time. You just have to turn off real time. Go for yes, this is very important. Then that is what you have to do along with this one, and try with the game. Most probably if it's not working, then as I said earlier, you have to close the background apps, which is very important. You have to close the background apps, as I said earlier. In the same way, if you have to check for the task manager also, then if you also have to check for if your particular game which is running right now, make sure that the particular game is not having any kind of as I said, it is not having any kind of update. If it's having any kind of update, you have to update the game. As you can see, if it is on the Steam, if you go for the Steam option, you will be having the options. In order to, you can check for any kind of installation is there, you can go for install, as well as if you are having any update, you can go for the update and you can update the game, and most probably you'll be having notification here. That is also very important. Then moving on to the next solution is all about, sometimes you have to sometimes after trying all these things, the next one is all about, you have to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++, which is the last one. After trying the Microsoft reinstall, the Microsoft Visual C++, I have already installed this. You have to see whether it's going to make any changes, and if it's not making any changes, then most probably sometimes you have to uninstall it and you have to re-download it back from the Microsoft official website. Even that's going to help you guys out. So these are the basic things which you have to try out when a game is crashing on a PC, and this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.